Yo YouTube, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to get free coins in eFootball 2025. This is a brand new working method that's going to give you unlimited free coins and GP in eFootball 25. You can all do this, and this is going to save you a bunch of money because I'm sure you're aware coins are pretty damn expensive. You can see the packs of coins and stuff costs almost $50 US. I'm going to show you how to get unlimited coins, and this is super simple, working on iOS and Android in 2025 for eFootball. And yeah, it literally takes a few minutes. You can all do this. So you need to make sure you, of course, have eFootball installed on your phone. And if you use a iPhone, you got to make sure your low power mode is turned off because we need the background app refresh to be working. So once you've done both of that, guys, open up the internet. I'm using a Safari browser because I'm on iPhone, but it doesn't matter which one you use. You've got to go to wavyplugin.com. So make sure you spell it correctly. You can copy that down if you need to. Wavy Plugin is a awesome website. They have tons of like modded applications and stuff on here. I've used them for tons of other games, but you need to go to the search bar and just search for eFootball. And you're looking for the eFootball 2025 plugin, unlimited coins and GP plugin for iOS and Android. So go ahead, click on that, guys, and this is going to basically go ahead and do this. So you got to wait for this to load up, and this is basically going to run in the background as you play eFootball on your phone, and it's going to give you unlimited resources, completely safe, completely working on iOS and Android, and it is of course completely free. So once this loads up, you're going to see this plugin installer page, and you just need to follow the instructions on this page. So to install your free coins and GP plugin for eFootball 2025, you need to complete 2 of the free tasks below. Follow the instructions below each task, and this verifies you're not a robot. So to verify your device, you need to complete 2 tasks on this page. These can be things like mobile applications or surveys, for example. Like this one here says answer the questions and fill in your details. So this is like a survey. You just got to basically complete any 2 tasks. They're all completely free. It will take you about 5 minutes. So if you do a survey, just make sure you do put in your correct information. But yeah, once you've done that, that's going to get you the eFootball 2025 free coins and GP plugin, and that's going to get you unlimited coins, and it takes literally a few minutes, saving you a bunch of money. So hope you found this video useful. All you got to do is go to Wavy Plugin and find the eFootball 2025 free coins and GP plugin, and go ahead and follow through all of the instructions you've seen in this video, and yeah, that's going to get you your free coins. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.